welcome back, guys.
What's up, guys?
What up, what up? Today we're on a very special trip. We're going to get something pretty special.
Should I say what it is yet?
Should we say, ooh,
Okay,
I don't
so
know.
a little backstory, right? So, I think my drifting's gotten a little bit better,
Okay.
and it's gotten to the point where I need a little bit more power, right? Stock M50's good. You know, it's 180 horsepower. So, I have a hard time.
No power.
No power, yeah. It's pretty lame. So, but like, you know, you do want to learn on stock power. Like, I get that. And I feel like I have technique down pretty well. So I was doing a little research on Marketplace, and I found another E36 that has something pretty cool in it. So we're on our way right now. We got the trailer hooked up to the truck.
You can't see it. Oh, you can see it here.
We're gonna go pick it up. So yeah, no, I'm super excited, man. Like this, I found what I think is a pretty sweet deal on a pretty cool swap. So I went and saw the car last weekend and checked out. The swap was pretty clean. Everything was done really nicely. So we're on our way right now to go swoop it.
I think this comes at a really good time because you know, you never want to learn with power.
Yeah.
But now Jeremy's gotten like 3 or 4 events under his belt, and he can actually drift pretty well now. We still have to do the video where we're gonna do the no spin challenge, but he was getting really close. Like he was linking the course and maybe just spinning out once here and there. So I think he's ready to move on to the next step. He won't be just relying on the power to make it the car drift.
But yeah, Terrence is right. When you're first learning, you want something that's I don't know, underpowered, I guess, because it really forces you to focus on technique, like throttle control, steering input,
And weight transfer.
Weight transfer for sure. Clutch kick.
When you have no power, you have to really know how the car reacts when you chuck it and transition so that it keeps drifting.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you'll straighten out.
Yeah,
So-
getting a lot of power right off the bat really doesn't teach you anything, right? Because anybody can technically drift something that's got 400 horsepower. It's not. I mean, you still got to know what you're doing, but like, it definitely helps, right?
Yeah.
But now I'm kind of to the point where that lack of power is hurting me, because there's times where I need it and I just don't have it, and I'm like tacking out second gear, right? And then when I go into try to go into third gear, the car has no torque. So like, I'm in that kind of like weird spot of like, I can't use third, but I need it. That's what I think.
Yeah, well, and your car has like weird gearing, right?
It's got
the 391.
Yeah, it's got
gears.
a 391, which is geared for acceleration. It's not really geared for top end speed. So like, you can go 30 miles an hour, 35 miles an hour in second, but you're tacking out second gear. If I bring that down to a 315, I could probably go like 60 miles an hour in second, but then the car's gonna feel like it has like
Even
no
less,
balls,
like even less power. So it's kind of a not the most ideal situation. So that's why Jeremy wants to just step it up, get something with a little more power.
So we're 12 minutes out. The dude's gonna be a little late, so we're gonna get some food first, and then after that, way to pick the car up.
And we'll do the car reveal. So stay tuned, get ready. Alright guys, so after all that, Jeremy decided to get the car, and here it is, check it out. You're gonna do a cold start, or not really a cold start, but you'll do a start. Just a little bit.
Why?
You're hitting your wheel a wide. Real close now. Let me just check the other side. Okay. Yeah, you got like 3 inches over here. Yeah, that's good.
That's like your FD, bro. There's no clearance. Slight issue when I was test driving this car at like 3,500 RPMs, it was almost feeling like it was fuel cutting. Dude was saying that probably a fuel pump. We checked the fuel pressure regulator, which is in the engine bay, while I was idling. We kind of gave it some revs. Fuel pressure was perfect, but when we were kind of ripping it down the street, we could tell that it was cutting fuel. So we can even see it was starting to run lean at like 3,000, 3,500. So he's gonna give me a new fuel pump. I'm hoping that's the issue. I kind of knocked down the price a little bit. So taking like a little bit of a leap of faith and hoping that's the problem. And if that doesn't fix it, then figure out what's going on. So, but yeah.
I'm gonna say it on video right now. I advised him not to get the car. But we'll see how it goes. Ooh. But I have faith, probably just a fuel issue, so we'll fix it.
Yeah. Alright guys, so here it is. Got it all loaded up. A little bit of work to do on the outside. Angle kit that he was running pushed the fenders out, so the skirts are a little banged up, but drift car.
The blue reminds me of like a R34 Skyline, you know, Paul Walker, that one, the blue one.
Yeah.
Kinda, so I like the color.
Yeah, I gotta figure out what exactly, like what color this is. If you guys know, let me know. I know it's an M3 color. It looks good. Oh, we didn't even show him the motor.
Let's do it.
Easy to do. Just grab these guys right here. Gotta push down on them hella hard and lift up.
Sheesh.
Yeah. So, I don't know if he said it already, but L33 with the TR6060. It's got some good parts on it. It's got a Holley throttle body, which is cool. Stage Street cam. It's got some supporting mods like lifters. We've got the fast LXX plenum.
Well, it's the 102 millimeter.
102,
That's a big one.
And yeah, you actually had like this crazy pop tune when I first got it. So we took that shit off because we don't want that. But yeah, like strut tower reinforcement. What? All right,
Finish it up.
we got kicked out, so we gotta go. We'll continue this in a second.
So any last words on this car?
So yeah, he's gonna send me a fuel pump. I'm gonna throw that in there. Hopefully that fixes the fuel cutting that it's experiencing, and we can get this thing sent for the next drift event. 'Cause that's my plan. I want to drift it on April 5th. That's the next VDC event. So hopefully we can get it sorted out, and she'll be a ripper. That's the hope. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated on getting the car running to where it should be. And once we get it fixed, we'll take it out and we'll send it. Yeah. See you guys next time.